welcome back to my channel. This video is gonna be about my empties. I have a bag of empties, and then I have the Believers box little bag opening. So let me get a little drink of coffee and we will get started. I have a couple things I wanted to talk about real quick. I have a new lipstick on. It is Revlon, and that color is something Berry Haute Cream 660. I love it. And then I have two other things on top of it. I have the Too Faced. I am hooked on the Too Faced lip injection line, guys. I have that on top of it. And then I have some Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. This feels amazing. Oh my gosh. But that's what I got on my lips. I have 3 different things, but I'm going to just apply this right here. Feels amazing. Okay, let's get started, guys. I'm going to start with my empties. A few concealers. Number one, I do have a couple of backups. The Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, Fair Light. I am out of that one. And then I have L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear. I've been using this in between different concealers. I like it, but it'll do in a pinch, but I'd rather have the Tarte, and the Tarte I think is my favorite. So, but anyway, this is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. And one more, this is the True Match, L'Oreal True Match. That's a good concealer. I would have to say I like this one better than the Infallible. But that's the concealers. The Brazilian Moisturizing Shower Cream Gel. Love, love, love this. And then Fantastic Sam's, this Fantastic Protect Blow Dry Primer. It is a heat protected. I'm out of that. I love that. Fantastic Sam's Finish Shine Serum. It's oil. It takes care of the frizzies. So I will be repurchasing that. And then the Bum Bum Cream. I think I mentioned this in my last video because I mentioned that I got the full size of it. So I'm out of that one. And Revlon Color Stay Brow Pencil in Blonde. You know what? These things break off so easy. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe how fast that they break off. Anyway, out of that one. Do any of you buy these Body Fantasies cologne sprays? I love these. This is the Fresh White Musk. I'm out of that. And also, this is Vaseline Lip Therapy. Oh my gosh, I love this. I am just about out of that. I will repurchase this. I love these. Love it. 2 primers. And I think that is it. I think that's enough. This is the NYX Pore Filler Primer Base. This is my top concealer at the moment. Love, love, love it. And then I was using this to collab, the Fundamental Smoothing Primer Base. That was good too, but this one tops it. So that is the end of my Empties, guys. That is the February Empties. Kind of late on that. Okay, my beauty bag, the Believers box. Actually, this is the religious one that I subscribe to. So let's open this up. Let's see. Hope y'all are having a great day. It is later in the afternoon, so that's just me. I'm famous for getting on here late, right? So let's see. Okay. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Isn't that beautiful? I love that little scripture there, the Believer's box. So let's see what we have in here. Oh, it's a bracelet. And this is just, blessed is she who has believed. Luke 10:45. I think it's a magnet. Okay, let's open this. Everything has got these little cards. I really like it. Oh my gosh. This is just lovely. It says blessed. It has a blessed charm on it. Gorgeous. I love that. I love their little scriptures and cards that they send. This one, I'm gonna have to. Lord Almighty, blessed is the one who trusts in you. Psalms 8:42, I think. So there you have it. That is a keeper, the Believer's box, and I hope you enjoyed my empties. I loved everything that I had in my empties. I will be purchasing everything in there, and I hope you ladies are having a great day. I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, give me some thumbs up, and if you enjoy my channel and you haven't done so yet, subscribe. And when you subscribe, always hit that little bell, and you'll see a window that pops up, and you're going to click all. That way you will receive all of my notifications whenever I post a new video. I love you all. Bye-bye. See you in the next one.